Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring numbers. Kids colors name yellow color, blue color, black color, red color, green color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw one. The numbers of one. one. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. T W O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use blue color. T H R W 3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color S I X 6. Kids again use black color and draw 7. The numbers of 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use red color E I G H T 8. Kids again use red color and draw 9. N I N E 9. Kids again use red color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids lastly draw 20. The numbers of 20 and again use blue color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.